morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I have arrived at Telunjuk Raung. Yeah, you can see the back side of me. There are a beautiful mountain. Yeah, this is Raung Mountain. Okay, let's join with me to explore the Telunjuk Raung. Let's join with me. For your information guys, not only beautiful view Telunjuk Raung have, but also the playground, a unique playground here. You know what is it? Yes, there is a maze, a unique maze at Telunjuk Raung. You guys, look at the view. I said that Telunjuk Raung have a beautiful view, so you can see how beautiful is it. I only can see this beautiful view only at Taruna. Very beautiful place. And you hear the sound of water? Can you hear sound of water? Yes. Below there is a beautiful waterfall. Yeah, below there's beautiful. I arrived at the main destination of this place. What is it? Yeah, look at this. The waterfall, the beautiful waterfall. But I'm still on the top, and after that I will going down to the waterfall. Let's check it out with me. Okay guys, this is the entrance going to the waterfall. Let's join with me to explore how beautiful the waterfall. Let's join it. Okay guys, look at the view when I going to the waterfall. The way is downstairs. Yeah, the way going to the waterfall is down with the stairs. I don't know how many stairs in here, but I guess it's many stairs here. But I don't care, and I don't feel tired because I really interesting to the waterfall because the waterfall is very beautiful. Let's going to check it. Don't be afraid when you are going to the waterfall and feel tired. There are one post here for your seat and rest in a minute. When you feel tired, you can sit here in a minute and see the view. Okay guys, did you know what is that? Yeah, that is a pipe that channel waters from the waterfall to the people to carry up their daily activity. So this place not only learn about the plant, but we can learn about the irrigation system. Okay, around not far away from the post 1, we arrive at the post 2. So if you're feeling tired to the waterfall, you can sit here again and feel the cold water because the water is near from the post 2. Look at this. This is the river, and in the top of there is a waterfall. Okay, let's going to the waterfall. Look at this. That is really cool. I want to join you must join with me and come to this place. Look at this. This is very cool place. Look at this. The water here is really cool and very clear. You are interesting. You must interesting to this place. To try it, come to the Telunjuk Raung waterfall at Raung Mountains in Banyuwangi City. Okay guys, I will show you about the local lettuce. Look at this. Local lettuce have small leaves. And why the lettuce here be livelihoods for the local people? Because local people will sell the lettuce to the market. So the local people not only income with the place or tourism here, but they are the farmer, especially lettuce farmer. Okay guys, look at the water. It's so clear. I'm interested to swim at this water. I will try to swim at this water. So guys, you must try to swim and come here too, because this place is very cool and really good to be my favorite destination. I arrived at the waterfall. Look at the back side of me. Look at that. How very beautiful this place. I recommended you to come to the Taruna waterfall. Maybe you are interested and asking why this waterfall is named by Telunjuk Raung. No, why this waterfall named by Telunjuk? Because the name of waterfall is like 4 fingers. Look there. It looks like the 4 fingers. And Raung is because the waterfall is at Raung Mountains. So I really recommended you to come this place, because this place is very beautiful. Look at it. The water here is really cool. Look at this. Look at this. The water is really so clear. The water is so clear and still cool. So you must try it. Guys, maybe after exploring the waterfall, you feel tired and feel hungry, you can eat at the canteen of Telunjuk Raung. Let's go. Can explore. Now we explore. Feel tired and hungry after you explore the beautiful waterfall, you can come to the canteen of Telunjuk Raung. You can eat the best menu at the canteen with see the beautiful view. Okay guys, this is the last part time on my video. I hope you can enjoy my video exploration at Telunjuk Raung waterfall. I hope you can come to this place to feel and see how beautiful this place. I will waiting for you to come to this place. Thank you.